Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your balance on the Go2 Bank account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in go2bank.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Go2 Bank website. Now, in order to check your balance, you will first of all need to log into your account. Just click on the login button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Once you're inside the portal, simply enter your email address that you used to sign up for your account, and within the password box, type in the password that you have set. Finally, click on the login button and this will log you into your Go2 Bank account right away. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page, from which you will directly be shown the funds that you have, and you will also immediately be able to transfer your funds if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check your balance on the Go2 Bank account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.